Hi, and welcome to this tip of the week. In today's video, I'd like to talk about the understanding of world space and local space. When we talk about world space, we're talking about the unchanging direction in this 3D world. You can see up here at the top right, we have a view cube with front, back, left, right, top, and bottom. When we select an object in world space with our world space toggle on, we could see that our axes align directly with the front, back, left, right, top, and bottom of this view cube. That means no matter what object we select, we'll always be aligning to the world space coordinates. When we talk about local space, we're talking about the changing direction of a 3D object and its space local to that object. When we select the bolt on the right over here, we can see that when we're in world space, it would be very difficult to actually animate this bolt coming out. We would have to kind of finagle it up here, and then how do we actually rotate that? Because, rotating on the world axis just doesn't work. So up here next to our world space toggle, we have local space. Now I'm going to go back to the move tool so we could actually see what happens here when I click the local space icon. Changing from world to local, we can see that the actual axes have changed from the unchanging world axes to this object's local axis. We could see it's much easier to actually animate this bolt coming out now. Let's go ahead and do that. We could actually hit record, just drag this up. And since I'm in the local space, I could actually go ahead and rotate in the local space as well. Let's go ahead and just rotate that out. Let's go ahead and just drag these out a little bit more. Create a loop. We could see that it actually moves and rotates perfectly on that local axis. And that's it for this tip of the week. Thank you very much for viewing this video, and we'll see you next week.